Okay, here we go. And we're getting concrete. Got me a good scoop. And now we're going around in circles here. Got my happy butt down there here. Believe it or not, it's easier than it looks. Man, I'm getting too old for this crap. Alright, now I'm gonna set you up right about here, maybe. Stay. Alright, oh great. Come on. Come on, here we go. And I'll get back way back in here. Spread it out a little bit. Crap, not enough. And so, here we go again. Rinse and repeat. In the meantime, I'll say, hi Mom. Hi Dad. Getting old. I'm back. Well, at least I ain't gotta go too far to grab my concrete. And it's only about 5 feet from my hole. And the back. Is it still going? Yeah, we're going. Alright, here we go. I'm going to get good in here. And I gotta do it one more time. Yeah, everybody else off to the birthday party. So I'm here celebrating. Oh. Oh, there we go again. You know, I didn't know it, but since I've been putting these videos up, I've had some of almost 2,000 or 3,000 people looking at these things. I don't know, man. I'm gonna grab it all here. Hold on a second. I'll be right back. I'm still here. Oh, here we go again. I'm coming. I'm coming. Put this together. I'm out of concrete. Alright. Alright. Get you over here a little closer to the action. So I'm down, bucking it in here, one bucket at a time. Coming over here. Pouring this little concrete sand. If you can see it or not in the dark. Here it is. Right there, I think. Yeah, ain't too bad a picture. Now, gotta mention, I am a machinist. I'm not a videographer. So if my videos are all jacked up, well, I don't really give a crap. Hey, look at that. I got a full hole. Yay. I like it when my hole's full. Alright. Well, now I'll beat that off. Get a little vibration action going on. This one got no holes in it. I did make this little square big enough to set 2 cinder blocks on. That way I can make or 4 cinder blocks. That way I make a good pillar to put under the floor. Right here they got this piece of crap here. And I blocked it up a little bit, but man, I still got a big 4-inch sag in my floor up there. So I need something a little bit more substantial in order to be jacking on. Hence, putting this in here. And, yeah. That's a little bit soggy to be finishing, but I ain't really. But underneath the house, I really don't care. As long as she's welded. Level and solid is all I'm caring about right now. I don't care about pretty. I'm pretty enough. Alrighty. Here we go. Well, that's what I've been doing in my spare time. Enjoy Padre Island.